Hello kids. Let's learn about amazing animals. Kids, do you know International Animal Day, also known as World Animal Day, is celebrated every year on 4th October. Let's start. Lion. Lion. The lion, did you know lion is called the king of the jungle? Next. Elephant. Elephant. The elephant is amazing animals and they're the biggest land animals in the world. Next. Rabbit. Rabbit. The rabbit is adorable and super fast little animals. Next, tiger. Tiger. The tiger is one of the most beautiful and powerful animals in the world. Next, deer. Deer. The deer is gentle and graceful animals found in forests, meadows, and even mountains. Next, sheep. Sheep. The sheep is fluffy and friendly animals often found on farms. Next, giraffe. Giraffe. The giraffe is amazing animals and the tallest land animals in the world. Next, bear. Bear. The bear is strong, smart, and fascinating animals. Next, monkey. Monkey. The monkey is playful, clever, and super fun animal. Next, goat. Goat. The goat is curious, playful, and super cool animals. Next, dog. Dog. The dog is some of the most loyal and loving animals around. Next, camel. Camel. The camel is amazing animals that are perfectly built for life in the desert. Next, horse. Horse. The horse is strong, graceful, and one of the most beautiful animals. Next, pig. Pig. The pig is smart, playful, and very cute animals. Next, panda. Panda. The panda is adorable, gentle creatures known for their black and white fur. Next, cat. Cat. The cat is independent, playful, and some of the most loved pets in the world. Next, cow. Cow. The cow is gentle, strong, and very important animals on farms. Next, donkey. Donkey. The donkey is hardworking, strong, and very friendly animals. Next, zebra. Zebra. The zebra is unique, beautiful animals with striking black and white stripes. Next, fox. Fox. The fox is clever, agile, and known for their beautiful fur and bushy tails. Next, kangaroo. Kangaroo. The kangaroo is amazing animals, famous for their strong legs and hopping abilities. For more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time, kids.